How to open the control center and notification center without swiping down in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on accessibility and then click on touch. On top you can see the option assistive touch. Now click on it and here you can turn on your assistive touch. After turn on your assistive touch, then go back to your home screen, and if you want to open your control center, then simply click on this assistive touch icon and then simply click on control center. Your control center will be open. And if you want to go back to your home screen, then simply click on assistive touch icon and then click on home. And if you want to open your control center, then click on it and click on notification center. So this is the way to open control center and notification center without swiping down in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.